In this video, you'll learn about common Clawdbot errors and how to fix them effectively. This guide will walk you through troubleshooting steps to resolve issues that may arise during your use of Clawdbot. Begin by opening Windows PowerShell. To do this, you can search for PowerShell in the Start menu. Once you see the PowerShell icon, click on it to open the application. This is where you will enter specific commands to help resolve Clawdbot errors. Next, type in the command set execution policy-scope local machine-execution policy remote sign-force and press enter. This command sets the execution policy for PowerShell, allowing scripts to run from your local machine. After executing this command, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the execution policy has been changed. After that, clear the npm cache by entering pemcache clean-force into the PowerShell window and hitting enter. This step is crucial as it helps remove any corrupted files from the npm cache that could be causing issues. Wait for a moment as the command processes and you should see a message confirming that the cache has been cleared. Once this appears, close Windows PowerShell. You can do this by simply clicking the X in the top right corner of the PowerShell window. Make sure you've completed the previous commands before closing to ensure all changes are saved. Now, navigate to Windows Explorer. You can open it by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar. This allows you to access the files and folders on your computer where you will need to make some changes. In Windows Explorer, click on Local Disk C to access your main drive. This is where your user files are stored. After opening the C drive, locate and click on the user folder to find your user profile. Next, click on your profile name to access your personal files. This folder contains all your documents, downloads, and application data. Here, you need to find the npm folder that may be causing issues. Locate the npm folder and delete it. Right-click on the folder and select Delete from the context menu. Deleting this folder can help resolve conflicts related to npm installations. Ensure that you confirm the deletion if prompted. Now, open Google Chrome or your preferred web browser. You will use this to download the necessary files to reinstall Git. Once the browser is open, go to the Google homepage to begin your search. Type Git in the search bar and press enter. This will bring up a list of results related to Git. Look for the official Git website link and click on it. This ensures you download the correct version. Once on the Git website, find and click on the Install for Windows button. This will initiate the download of the Git installer to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment. After the download completes, return to Windows Explorer, navigate to the Downloads folder where your Git installer should be located. Click on the installer file to begin the installation process. During the installation, follow the on-screen instructions to install Git. Make sure to select the appropriate options based on your needs. After finishing the installation, you will need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Once your computer has restarted, open the Start search box again. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and typing in your query. Search for Windows PowerShell and open the application once more. Now, paste the code that you copied from openclaw.ai into the PowerShell window. This is the final command needed to complete the installation of Clawdbot. Ensure that you have copied the correct code before proceeding. After pasting the code, hit enter to execute it. This action will finalize the installation process for Clawdbot. You should see a success message once the installation is complete, indicating that Clawdbot is ready for use. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.